Hi, I'm Collin with CollinTV. Today we're doing the DQ Blizzard Maker. It looks really cool. I wonder what it's going to taste like. Make your own cool tasty treats, it says. No batteries required. And it has some coupons. It includes 3 popping candy mixed in treats. Look at the back. It says on the back, create your favorite treats any way you want. It says it's easy and fun. Add ice, salt, and water. Pour in dessert mix and half and half, stir and serve. And it says up here, it's easy making tasty treats using the DQ Blizzard Maker. Open it up. Get everything out, and here's what we got. 2 bowls with 2 spoons, and 1 Blizzard Maker, and a few packets, and our pusher. The packets are a few years old, so we're gonna use our own toppings and own ingredients. So let's put these to the side. Let's start making it. First, we take our lid off, and we take a cup and cover the top. Nothing gets inside it. And then we put the ice to the fill line. Our big bowl of water on the side here, and we fill it up to the fill line with cold water. Take a 3/4 cup of salt and pour it in evenly. Since the packets don't work, we're gonna make our own ingredients. So we have our 3/4 cup of half and half, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla. So let's pour our sugar in. It's bubbling. Let's put our bowl to the side. We have half a teaspoon of vanilla, and you pour it in. There, put to the side, and then mix it up. So we take this cup off, put it to the side, and then put this on. So you pour it in that little cup, put the handle on top, and you start cranking for 10 minutes, clockwise. Like how it's doing. Whoa, it looks really good and creamy. Let's put it in for a few more minutes. Let's start cranking. It's been 10 minutes, now let's see how it looks. Ooh, it looks really good. So then, we put this on the top. Now let's crank it out. It's done. Now take it out. There. Let's pour my. Now let's get our other cup and put that one to the side. And use the last of it. And take it out. There. That's all of our ice cream, it looks like. Wow, that looks really good. We have crushed up Oreos, and we have some Angry Birds cherry popping candy for our toppings. But first, let's try it without anything. That's definitely better than the actual DQ. That's really good. For this one, we'll put the Oreos on. And we'll mix them in. There's our Oreo Blizzard. Let's see how it tastes. Even better. Now, let's put our Pop Rocks on. Let's put them in our bowl. And pour. Oh, let's use our hands. Whoa! They're flying everywhere. Whoa! And then let's make, whoa! Whoa! Never expected this to happen. And there is our popping candy one. I think I like that one more than that one. The popping candy pops in your mouth a lot more than when you eat plain popping candy. Now, let's try this. The little Oreo. The Oreo is too overpowering. Well, that's all for today. Remember to subscribe and watch my other videos. If you do this DQ maker, do not put popping rocks on, or otherwise, warning, watch out for flying popping rocks. Bye.